folks, we're going for a Sunday drive and Sara's driving the Golf R for the first time. She just got her learners and we're going for a nice Sunday drive. Mommy's in the back there, so we'll probably see if we can go to Cochrane and do an A1 ride today. It's so beautiful. The weather is such a nice weather today, so I figured we'll do a half a day trip or so. Stay tuned. So how does the Golf R feel, Sara?
Good.
Good? Well, we just dropped off Sara and she drove the car pretty well. Today it's a beautiful Sunday. The weather is so nice, so my queen and I here will take the Golf R and just would like to test it out and see how this new splitters and rear diffuser will hold up and how well the improvement would be on the driving. So this will be a good test, and we'll be taking the 1A highway here in the Cochrane area, and we will check it out and I'll let you guys know. Stay tuned. It's beautiful here. Well, we made it to Cochrane and we're just gonna hit 1A here and enjoy some of the windy road here and test the car out a little bit, and we'll stay tuned. What an awesome drive, guys, I must say. Definitely this splitters and the rear diffuser makes quite a bit of difference in the drive. I could definitely feel it. The car seems to be a lot more grounded, and with the downforce and all that, you know, provides a lot more stability on the driving of the car, the handling of it, and the whole 9 yards. So yeah, it's been an awesome experience, always driving through this windy roads here on 1A, basically one of my favorite drives here close by. Hope to see you guys next time on this ride and join me along. It's always been fun doing this yearly, and depending on the weather here, I might be able to do one more run before the winter season. And yeah, just let me know, guys, if you guys are interested in joining. Of course, local guys here in Calgary. Well, again, guys, it's an awesome product. I definitely recommend it. It literally does make a difference in the process. So anyways, guys, stay tuned.